Don't pause. Press play.
Good morning, afternoon, evening, and good dawn, y'all. It is literally a good morning for me. I'm just waking up and I was reading the Temtem Twitter, just jumping right into it. They literally banned over 900 players, which is pretty huge for like a first step in banning people. And it really goes to show that they're really on the ball. Like, they're really trying to keep their halls clean. They're trying to make sure that things are on the legit side, which is great. The thing that bothered a lot of people though initially is the fact that they were like, no appeals, 100% we are correct, we did not get this wrong, you cannot come up to us and ask for unban. This is done, it is final. And you know, that was about, I want to say like 4 o'clock in the morning, Pacific, and I was like, okay, that's sudden. Right on, drop the hammer, serve justice, 100% support you. But I'm pretty sure there were a lot of us who were at the same time were like, no appeal sounds kind of strict. Like it was, what if that happened to us? Like, what if you were just that, humdrum player that, hey, newbie, if you do this, you're gonna get like $1 bajillion, or if you do this, you're gonna get like free Temtem. And you're like, oh, that sounds amazing. And you're like, is that legit? And like, don't worry about it. And you go and do it. And all of a sudden, your account's gone because you were just following tips from someone you thought was helpful. And you're just like, okay, well, I'll just let them know that it was. And no, you can't. A small PSA on that, by the way. If anyone ever says don't worry about it in response to anything you ask them, it's probably on the shady side. Just saying. Moving on, later, a couple hours later to be specific, and probably several tweets and retweets and media postings and everything, they came back and they were like, you know what, we feel you guys, we get that way we were being almost tyrants, we're very passionate about our game, so let's go ahead and take a couple of, appeals, send them here, we'll take a look at them, we don't think we're wrong about this. And that made a lot of people happier, it made myself happier. I didn't cheat, of course, I'm still playing the game, but the idea is that I like when people have a chance to defend themselves, because sometimes it's perception. Now, they did come out almost immediately right after and said, yeah, we checked out like 100 player appeals that were sent, we are still right, they were all bannable offenses, and it kind of chalked it up to like, okay, these are just people who were mad that they got caught. That's fine. I mean, I remember being a little kid and you got your hand caught in the cookie jar and you got all mad and frustrated because you got caught. Not because you were sad, you got caught. You felt dumb. So maybe this is one of those moments. Let me know how you feel in the comments down below. I personally applaud Crema and the Temtem devs for getting this done, because you have a huge history of MMOs that get ruined by just overlooking cheating, gold farming, all kinds of just, shenanigans that devs turn a blind eye to because they can't be helped to stop it. If you ever want to see like one of the worst tragedies, look at ArcheAge. ArcheAge had to completely reinvent itself after Triumph Worlds had it because they just let gold buyers and speed hackers run rampant. I mean, it was horrible. You couldn't go out and do PvP. You couldn't really gold farm that well, and stay competitive because someone would just come up with like a 10 grand credit card, outbuy you, and two-shot you. Two-shot your entire team, matter of fact. They were untouchable. This is why I'm happy that Temtem is doing this. Even though, okay, they're starting a little strong, a little heavy-handed, I'm happy it's being done. And I'm also happy that they're not above reproach. They're actually considering things. They are, as they said originally when the game was first coming out, they said in an interview that they really wanted to bring in their player base and go off of what their fan base was telling them. I'm happy to see that and tell you that they're doing exactly that. They're sticking to their guns and they're making good on their promises. They're crowd surfing and taking in everyone's opinions. They're passionate player base, the people who are sticking around, the people who are actually passionate about this game as much as they are. And that's how you do it. That's how you make a game, and that is how you keep it up to date and relevant for the people who are playing it to attract more people who are going to play it. I've actually been reading some of the tweets in the Temtem Twitter, and some of the reactions are great. They're like, wow, I didn't know you guys were taking it this seriously. I actually want to play the game now. And that's exactly what should be happening. Your success and your drive and your passion for the game, your creativity should come out in your actions and how the game is portrayed, not just a crazy $1 billion marketing scheme. That's my 2 cents. Let me know your thoughts, your concerns down in the comments below. If you were banned, definitely want to hear from you. I want to hear that other side of the story. If you thought this was entertaining or, just kept you in the loop, please, drop a like, subscribe. Please stick around for more. I would love to keep you guys in the loop. Anyway, love, peace, and elevate your hunts, y'all. Lates.